Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access your stickers in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open Picsart.com and then log into your account. Now what you need to do is go in My Files in the left hand side. Click on My Files and go to the sticker option. These are the stickers which you have previously used, so go ahead and click on stickers. You can see that these are the stickers you have imported in Picsart. You can go ahead and tap on it and you can re-edit it anytime. So go ahead and choose the sticker and you can edit it. You can see that there are other stickers, and if you go to My Stickers, you will see your stickers. So if you want to see more stickers, go to Library and you can use the stickers from here. And if you want to find free stickers, go to Filter and click on Free and then click Apply Filters. So these are the free stickers available in the library of Picsart. So I'm going to teach you once again how you can view your stickers. Go to Picsart.com and then go to My Files. Now click on Stickers, and these are the stickers which you own. You can even delete it by clicking this button over here, the 3 lines button, and you can click on Delete it. You can download it, duplicate it, rename it, or even move the sticker. So I will choose to delete this, so I'll click on Delete and click Delete. You can see that one of my sticker has been deleted. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.